this case study, you will use Flask and Docker to deploy a model. This combination of tools provides a useful template you can use for moving models into production. Because Docker containers are portable and the API is flexible, this workflow can be used to deploy models locally and to most cloud platforms. There are DevOps tools available on the IBM Cloud that can automatically perform some of the steps in this overall process, but understanding how the basic process works can help you navigate and evaluate the landscape of machine learning production technologies and services. You now know all that you need to know about the individual components that go into building a production model, so it is time to bring them together and deploy your own model. By doing this, you will have end-to-end control over the flow of information between the model prediction, model training, and model versioning components. Sometimes an API service, such as the one that you will build here, will host multiple models and it will be decoupled from the model training. But in this case study, you will build the model and the model training as part of the same product. Container management, logging, unit testing, and basic monitoring will be covered in the next course, because once a model is deployed, it cannot be forgotten. One analogy for productionizing a model is that you have taken a seed, which is your business opportunity, and grown it into a healthy plant. The plant is like a model. Some grow fast with little oversight, and others may require expertise, care, and creativity. Using the same metaphor, we can think of deep learning models as the bonsai trees of machine learning, as they generally require the most expertise, care, and creativity. After being planted into a Docker container, any model will still need the right conditions to thrive, and there is a minimum level of care that will be required to keep it functional. Machine learning models need new training data in the same way plants need water and sunlight. This case study will help show you how to set up your environment so that your model can flourish. In the next course, the last one in this specialization, we will get into the technologies and details of caring for your models in production.